Hey, I'm Bianca from Integrity Real Estate, and today I'm here to show you 23 Norfolk Avenue, South Nowra. Set on 3,708 square metres, we're offering two large multi-purpose factory units. The great thing about these two factory units is that you can owner-occupy and have the opportunity to lease out the other two factory units to make an income. Let's go take a look. Property lends itself to a multitude of uses. Please don't hesitate to contact me on 0412 103 644 for more information.